So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to review about the most practical books in the clinical section. So this is a clinical book for neurologists, physiotherapists, and anyone who's interested in neurology and for medical students. The name of this book is Neurological Clinical Examination by John Moris. So in this book is designed in such a way that you can master the art of neurological examination. So John Moris simplifies a very complex process into the simple one, like I have told you in the Beaker staff book. What these authors do, they actually the things are very complex in the neurology, so they try to help you so that they can simplify this thing so that you can understand it in a simple language. And this book is also doing the same as the Beaker staff. The Beaker staff is covers more aspect of the clinical process in neurology, and this is some different parts of the neurology which is not being given in the Beaker staff. As I told you when I was reviewing that book, that there are some chapters which is not being given in the Beaker staff, which has been given in this part. So that's why I have read this book and that book also. So for this book, it is a very simple book, and the case histories are given, and it is mentioned that how to take the neurological history, how to take the assessment examination, how to actually start with the taking history, and how to perform each component of the neurological in a very systematic manner. So from higher mental functions to cranial nerve, sensory testing, motor testing, reflexes, assessment, coordination, gait, balance, etc., etc. It's all being given in this book. And this book is also a very small book. So the things which you can get from this book is step-by-step guidance. You can get it for the different examinations and how to conquer yourself in this, how to master yourself in this examination. Second thing is clear illustrations are given, diagrams are given so that you can connect more easily. Third thing is real case correlations are given. So it's not just the technique that this is how it works. It will tell you why it works and what happens if you're doing it correctly and not correctly. It links the findings with the possible pathological pathologies like strokes, neuropathy, and cerebral diseases. So the disorders like cerebellum, it's given in detail. Like it's not given in detail in the Beaker stuff. And this book is also helpful in the vivas. If you have a viva in a short period of time, then you can read this book. And one more thing, if you want to know about my story of this book, I started reading it because I have already learned the Beaker stuff, but the cognition part is not that much detail in that book. So I got to know about this book, and since I'm a neurophysiotherapist also, so I try to update myself, again and again with different books, with updating myself, my knowledge. And if you read similar things from different books, maybe you get a better knowledge, better understanding, and it also helps you to do your research papers and all that. You know that where you can find these things in different books. And there's one specific thing which I want to mention about this book. Nystagmus, I have never found nystagmus in other books. So in this book, nystagmus is given in details, like what are the types of nystagmus, how you can find the types of nystagmus, and how actually you can identify which is the part affected just by seeing the nystagmus. And it's not being given in Sullivan also in these details, like examinations and all these things, and not even in the bigger stuff. So you can learn nystagmus from this book in very good detail. I have shared this book with my students, and uh, while teaching, I have given them this practical also of nystagmus, how to find the test, how to do the rotatory chair test just to see the nystagmus. But just one warning: if you are performing these tests, make sure that you are performing this under the supervision. Don't do it by yourself. Have some seniors or some teachers while you perform these tests. Okay. So if you are serious about mastering neuro assessment, this is the must read, and it will transform you into just performing tests to understand that what is the meaning of these findings. So it is a perfect companion for our students of masters in neurology or anyone who is interested in neurosciences and learning assessments and examination of neuroscience. Thank you so much, guys, again for watching this video, and I hope you are a medical student. If you are, just share this video with your neurological friends, and if you are interested in neurology and if you want to read some book reviews of that book, just mention the book name. I'll just get the details of that book, and I'll just tell you about these books. And thanks once again, and see you next video. Don't forget to share, like, and comment these videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.